Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion says that a body at rest or the body at uniform motion so there are two types of bodies. One is at rest and the other is at uniform motion. The body at rest will remain at rest until an external force is applied on it or unbalanced force is applied on it to move it from its rest position. And the body at uniform motion will remain at uniform motion until an external force is applied on it or an unbalanced force is applied on it to change its state of motion. So, I repeat, the body at rest will remain at rest and the body at uniform motion will remain at uniform motion until an external force is applied to change the state of rest or uniform motion of the body. So, when the body is at rest, its velocity is equal to 0. Its velocity is equal to 0 and its acceleration will be equal to dv by dt, and dv by dt or derivative of 0 is constant. Acceleration is dv by dt, so derivative of 0 is 0. Derivative of 0 with respect to time is 0. Okay, and the force, so force is equal to mass into acceleration, so force is equal to m into 0 is equal to 0. So when a body is at rest, its velocity is 0, its acceleration is also 0, and the force applied or the net force applied on it is 0, so it will remain at rest. Okay, because there is no external or unbalanced force is being applied on it. Okay, so let's see an example. Let's say this is a body at rest. So there are two forces being applied on it. One is F1, which is in this direction, and the other is F2, which is in this direction. Okay, so if F1 is equal to F2, so equal force will be applied on rightwards and equal force will be applied towards the left. Okay, so the next net force will be 0. So F is equal to F1 plus F2, where F2 is equal to negative of F1, because F2 is equal to F1 but it is in opposite direction. So F1 plus negative of F1 is equal to F1 minus F1 is equal to 0. Okay, so let us see the case of the body at uniform motion. So if a body is at uniform motion, its velocity is constant. Okay, its velocity is constant and its acceleration is dv by dt. So acceleration is equal to d constant by dt, so the derivative of constant is 0. So the derivative of constant is 0. So let's wait. The derivative of constant is 0, so acceleration is 0, so the force will also be 0. So when a body is moving with uniform velocity, it means its velocity is constant. Its the net force being applied on it will be 0, and so it will keep its state of uniform motion until an external force is applied on it to change the state of or to change its state of uniform motion. So here is the body, it is moving with uniform motion, let's say in this direction. So let's we if we want to bring the body at rest or change the state of the motion of the body, we will apply equal force in the so we will apply the external force in this direction to bring it into rest. Okay, so that is the Newton's first law of motion.